Oh. Today, let me introduce you to a big guy from Lutian. It is the Lutian Tiger Shark S72, a high-pressure washer with a rated pressure of 500 kilograms. Many on the market claim to be 500 kilograms. In fact, the rating is generally 400. The Titan is a little brother in front of them. Today we have prepared a big guy. A standard 45-foot shipping container. Wow, this gun is too heavy. I feel like I can only hold on for 3 minutes. Let's shoot a wooden board, shall we? In fact, in actual use. Because the pressure is too high, we must wear protective gear, such as protective clothing and goggles. Let's take a look at its power. Wow, it made a hole directly. The usage range of 500 kilograms is usually for removing crusts in cement plants, cleaning some reactors in chemical plants, including cleaning oil storage tanks, also including paint and rust removal, coating removal. Now let's wash this vehicle. I didn't wear protective gear, so I'll stay a bit farther away. But it's a bit tiring. Let's see how to wash the top part. First of all, let's start with PA. Go! Now, we've done the PA process, and we've scrubbed it. Next, we'll use the 500 kilograms pressure one again to rinse the stubborn stains on the lower part of the body. Let's do it! Well, today's experience ends here first. If you're interested in trying it out yourself, feel free to contact us.